Pick it, Reid. It's this thing. This thing is full of thorns. This thing here.
Oh, you touched that floor.
It's that thing that's stuck on your sleeve there.
What?
On your sleeve, on your right hand side sleeve. There's this prickly thing there. It's off now.
Should we do that? Coco, don't touch it.
See what you're busy with.
What you got to Coco?
Okay, wait, you can start videoing again.
I am.
Okay.
Awesome. Close the hole again. Ready? Close the hole up so the mycelium goes. There it goes. Nice one. Turn it around. There we go. Cool.
Hey.
Where is it? It's there. You find it. You find it.
Oh, where could it be? Oh, there is it.
Now grip it at the bottom where I showed you. You pull the whole thing out there. Clean up the things, and then you pull it out at the base.
No man, there's a root here.
It's fine. Grab it on the other side, and then you just go at the bottom, pull it out at the base. Pull it out at the base. There we go. Cool. Let me see. Turn it upside down. Now let me see the underside.
Oh.
Cool. So now what we do, we close up that hole that you made there. Just close the hole so the mycelium stays there. Just pat it down. There we go. And now we can clean him.
Yes.
Now you twist at the bottom, right?
Hey.
And you put him out.
So there's no root, you must take out the root.
There we go. Show me. Cool. Well, that's a nice one. Smell it and you smell what it smells like
Smells like an mushroom.
Brush him off. Nicely. You can brush harder. And then you can scrape it. You want to scrape it with a knife?
I see the small slug in there.
That's okay. You'll come up, scrape them off with a knife. Use the knife like this, and you just scrape it so.
Okay, just then just take this.
Like this. Keep it at the angle there. There we go. Yeah, take them all off and you scrape all that dirt off. And you can even cut that bottom part a little bit just to get it out. You can scrape harder, Reid. Like that,
Okay,
yeah.
okay.
Yeah, like that, yes. There we go. And you can cut that bottom part off because it's quite full of.
This here?
Yeah, just cut it off. There we go. You scrape the rest, scrape the rest.
Are you serious right now? Come, Coco. Come, girl. No,
Come, Connor, you can do it.
Go, go.
That's a huge
I'll
one.
come back to the corner. It's a half one.
That's fine. That's okay. He's been there for a while, I think.
Yeah, look.
It's okay, we can cut the bad parts off. Turn them around, show him the good side.
Oh.
There you go. You can do it, Marcy. Reid already picked one. Wow, that's a nice one. It's in there. You see? Let's have a look. Whoa, that's a nice one. Whoa. Do you need the brush? The brush is there. Take the brush and then the knife. You got your own knife?
I'll use that now.
Nice.
I'm also going to start looking properly. I'm going to actually try now.
Come guys, your turn now. Put the brush in there. You can cut that bottom piece off. Actually, no, it's fine. That thing is going to come off clean.
I think just with all this mycelium folia.
can slice it off. Lucky.
I found one pig.
You lying. I walked right over that thing, dude.
I found it here.
Let me open it up
Come
for
here,
you
Coco, come
to show you what's inside the book.
Whoa. That's nice. Look at that.
Come see.
Ooh, it's old.
Ah, Coco!
Come see. Come see.
I think he's old, but you found one.
No,
I
it's
found
Reid.
Let me see if it's rotten. Let me turn him around. Let me see. Oh, I think a lot of his. But that's good, Connor. You can leave him.
Oh, it's Reid who found it.
Leave him for next time.
No, please.
How do you spell your name? Like C-O-C-O?
Yeah.
Oh.
Nice cross here.
You wanna play? You wanna play? Shall we go?
Back towards the swing.
No, we go there. Go down there.
Oh, no, go down here.
It's pretty awesome. I'm Coco.
Because the dam should be over there.
Mm. It's nice here, eh? Wow.
It is nice to bring the children out.
Mm.
They can just have the,
They can have the spot to themselves here. Look at that nice tree there.
Oh, that tree's beautiful.
Mm. Wow.
Look here.
Someone broke it. You found one, Connor. It's a mushroom. It's called a Bay Bolete.
And it's edible.